Welcome back to the channel. It is Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur, coming at you with yet another Make Money Online video. So today we will be talking about how to increase your subscribers, how to grow your channel and increase your subscribers super fast. So let's get into the video. Before we do though, let's always remember to like, comment and subscribe to receive notifications as soon as I drop another Make Money Online video. So let's get into the video. Okay, so here is our first method, organic growth via the use of tags, titles and description. So here I have just simply input into the search bar how to increase subscribers on YouTube channel, and we can see that when we scroll down it's medium competition and the volume is 68, so an overall score of medium, and this is where you normally start your SEO, your search engine optimization, tags, titles and descriptions. Now the next tool that I would highly recommend using is TubeBuddy, a downloadable app that will install into your YouTube platform, and you can click it and come into this. So the keyword explorer is what you are best to use, and what that will do is it will give you the opportunity to search for the best titles and then keywords if you would like to pay for the subscription. So you can use the free one as I am here right now, and let's look into something like how to make a face mask at home easy, for example. So we bring this up, and this is a massive one with COVID-19 going around the world and impacting so many people, and as you can see, it is a fair search volume, the competition is fair, and the optimization is very strong with 40 million searches. So you can actually do different options, so there will be different options to your right that you can click, and basically the premise of this is utilizing your free tools so that you can build up quality optimization. And there we go, we've hit something that's an excellent option: how to make a face mask at home easy, no sewing machine. Excellent video title, and with the search volume right in between the orange and the yellow, obviously yellow meaning intermediate or medium, competition is unweighted. It's excellent for this particular title, and optimization strength is excellent as well. So if I was wanting to start a channel, I would actually create a video around this, and this could bring masses of potential viewers slash subscribers. So obviously your subscribers are real people. They have to want to watch your video, they have to be interested in the title, and that is the first part of actually building your subscribers in an organic manner. So that is our first method. Now we will look at another method that is going to build your subscribers super fast. Before we move on, what I wanted to show you is that you can click the results tab, which will then bring you to the top or the trending videos under that particular title. So we can see that we have the top 3 here, and we can scroll down over here to the right and look at other options and other videos that are doing really well within this top 10 right through and right down to even more. So they've all had great views due to the pandemic that's going around at the moment. But what you can also do is you can click on the video, view it, have a look at the tags, the titles, and the description, and you can actually copy but change it slightly so that it suits you. So the description, change the tags or the links in there to suit you. Use similar titles, use similar tags, but change the description. So that's the second piece to utilizing the TubeBuddy free platform to search for your tags, titles, and description. So just keep that in also mind and utilize it. Okay, so now let's go and have a look at another option that will help you search all of that information even faster. Okay, so here we are, and we are in the Video Marketing Blaster Pro. That is what I use to help me build out my tags, titles, and descriptions. So in this software, this piece of software, there is training, and you can search for any tag, title, or keyword that you choose. So first off, say our main keyword is, as we had before, making a mask without correct spelling, without sewing. And let's see, so we can click all of these and select all of these, find competitors, get search results, generate video details, and also research from search suggestions in YouTube. We then click research the keyword and we let it do its magic. Now it's going to gather all that information and then populate it for us so that we can see what specifically we could target and how we could actually best position our videos. So let's just pause this and I'll come back as soon as it has generated the information and the keywords. Okay, so here we are, and the Video Marketing Blaster has now gone through and found all competitors, searched for results, generated video details, and also researched from search suggestions. So now what we need to do is select which keywords we would like to actually search deeper into for video details. So let's have a look which ones we'd like. So let's just extend here, and how to make face masks without sewing machine, making a mask without t-shirt, sewing t-shirt, YouTube making a mask without sewing. So let's grab that one. No, making a mask without sewing bandana, making a mask without sewing machine. Let's copy those to the clipboard, and then we move on through to video details. So here is where we add our titles or our main keyword. So we can add multiple, and I can just simply paste those three in and then start generating. So what I've selected is from competitors. You can also select from template or semi-automatic manual select details. Now we're going to leave this to run and allow it to come up with the suggested video details. Okay, so here we are. Here are the suggested keywords, tags, titles, and descriptions. So this piece of software does all of the heavy lifting for you. It even suggests titles. So making a mask without sewing machine, here it is, suggested titles. How to make a mask without sewing machine DIY face mask. So as you can see, it combines several of the target titles that we've selected in the previous screen, and it gives you options for optimizing your titles for your videos. So once we do this, we can move through to the niche analysis. Now this is the pro version, and you may just want to buy Video Market Blaster up to this point. So the standard version just comes and brings you through to here, but it doesn't give you the insight that the pro version does. So you might think, okay, I'm going to get hits, I'm going to get views, boom, go ahead with this level. But there is a deeper level of niche analysis that you can do that will help you further target the correct titles, description, and tags, and thus build that following, i.e. subscribers, via finding the right information and people to connect with your video. So I have a feeling that making a mask without sewing, how to make a mask without sewing machine, DIY face mask, that is the one title that I would like to search deeper for. So I'm going to click on the cog, copy to the key clipboard, and move through to the niche analysis. So we'll just wait for that to populate and come on back in a second. So here we are in the next level, the niche analysis, and I have just popped in that title that I previously selected, and now I'm going to click Get Competition, and now it is going to search for all the information and give me the niche analysis to look at. So let's pause out and I'll bring you right back when we've got all of that information up. Okay, so here is the information about the niche analysis, making a mask without sewing or a sewing machine, a mask without sewing machine, how to make a mask without sewing, so DIY face mask. So those are the three titles that have been combined to search that we have searched for. Now here we have the top videos in the niche. So here you can see the views, the comments, and it is color coded, so you then know which video you could compete for that position or compete against in order to take that position in the YouTube algorithm. So let's have a look at this very awesome video here, 3 million views with 191 comments and less than 10 likes. So we can also have a look at, by double clicking, we can look at the information, each description, the title, the tags, and there are no tags. Now that is amazing. So very, very weird. You've got description contains those 0 and 30 partial matches for the title that we entered. So that's what you can do with this particular piece of software. We can look at the ranking report. So what the ranking report tells us is how easy it is to rank on the first page. So as you can see, making a mask without sewing machine, how to make a mask without sewing machine DIY face mask. It will be very hard to rank on the first position of YouTube, but ranking on the first page of YouTube will be pretty easy. Now we go down, and this ranking recommendation tells you how many views you need to actually have in order to place or compete for this position in YouTube, so that people will select your video over another or over that particular video that we've searched. Search terms. So views, that's how many likes is is required, comments 93, subscribers 3. So this also shows you how many views you'll need in order to take that position, to show up and play a part in that algorithm, and to then better your position of your channel, your video, and gain those subscribers. So it also gives you the tags that you should use for this particular title, and you can copy the description if you like, tags, titles, and description. And the next video that I'm going to actually take you through is how to get your views up so that you can actually enter into the position in the ranking recommendation, as it says up here, and how to take that position on the YouTube search recommended videos. So in my next video, as I say, I will teach you and show you how you can get those views, those likes and comments, even if you have a monetized channel. So that was the VMB Pro version, going right through it. That was pretty much a tutorial and showed you how effective this piece of software can be, and it can be used for every niche, every type of video. Everything you need is here. We even have a ranking tracker, which is not so important in this case. I just wanted to take you through to actually ranking and how you can better your channel and how you can increase your subscribers through SEO, tags, titles, and descriptions, and a really handy piece of software, as I mentioned, VMB Video Market Blaster. And if you would like to pick this piece of software up for yourself, check out the links in the description below. Alright, so that was the video, the first video about how to grow your YouTube channel and tips to grow your subscribers fast. So we went through the SEO, the tags, titles, and descriptions. I also showed you an awesome piece of software. If you want to grab that for yourself, check out the description and the links in the descriptions below. Also remember to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can get notifications when my next video drops. And we will be covering in that next video how to get views and subscribers even faster. So check out that video coming very soon in the next week, but also remember to turn on your notifications so that you will get that reminder when the video drops. Alright, thank you so much for watching. That was Denise, the Boss Ladypreneur. Peace out.